age 65. Just now asked me somebody whether I am senior citizen. So I confirm that I am a senior citizen. Not only here, in my house also, my two sons, they got married. After that my wife feels that I have become slightly old and Buddha. But with her inspiration and with her charm, I still feel I am young at heart. And today, I really thank Mansarovar Heights Phase 2 People Association, because out of 65 years, at least for the last 60 years, I was thinking that if I get a chance to sing a song, it will be my great honor, because I never got a chance to sing a song in front of anybody. So I am very much thankful to them. And to show my wife that I am not Buddha, I want to dedicate this song to my wife. Kindly excuse me, I am not a singer. So कोई भी गलती हो तो आप बुरा मत मानिए. ये मरी जहर जबी तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान. This is what I want to say, but as I told you, I don't have